how to allow Steam to access camera on iPhone. First, load up Steam, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and now we will select View Profile. Once you click on View Profile, then you want to click on Edit Profile from the screen, and once you click on Edit Profile, then you will select Avatar here next to General. Once you click on Avatar, you can click on Upload your avatar and then Photo Library, and this is gonna trigger the camera access setting and you can allow it. Another way of how you can do this is by clicking on Settings here on your iPhone settings and just searching for apps. Once you search for apps, click on apps, and now you want to scroll down until you see S and Steam. You want to find Steam here from this list. Click on Steam, and once you click on Steam, you will see the camera option here and you can just toggle it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.